everybody, welcome to Timeless Fluid Art. This is Janice, getting ready to varnish 3 of my paintings. Now, I'll have to show you this. Look at the beautiful little watch. Look at the band, it's like so precious. Got Santa and reindeer and oh my goodness, all kinds. So, definitely going to take it off to do my varnish. Now, to do my varnish, I don't use varnish. I use Pouring Medium by Liquitex. Liquitex Pouring Medium comes out fabulous. I mean, my pieces are amazing. When somebody buys them and I give it to them, they're like, oh my God, it's much nicer in person. So, it's crazy, but who would have thought? Who would have thought? Okay, here we go. First one here. Just pour enough. You don't have to pour that much. It could be just as long as you twirl it around and then eventually it gets to the sides. Okie dokie. You can tell right here with this because it is a dark color. This one I was not thrilled with this painting, but I said, you know what? It probably will look great varnished, so that's the only reason why I'm doing it. And then I wipe any drips off the bottom, because nothing's worse than getting a drip and you're trying to put a backing on it. Because I always use contact paper for the backing. And if you have it where you've got drips, it won't look as professional. All right, let me see. So far, so good. Whoops. My phone's going to get all kinds of stuff on it, I swear. All right, this one is now varnished. It looks cloudy to you, but trust me when I tell you, it is not cloudy. All right, number 2. This one is a beautiful painting, but I'm thinking it's going to look much better varnished. What do you think? I think it's going to bring out some parts of this look 3D. It is crazy. I was looking at it, I'm like, oh my God, that looks like 3D. So, you know, it's like you can see where it's behind it. And it's really crazy. All right, come on, get down there. I'm trying to get this part down here. If I didn't have enough, I can always go in here and grab some and put it. Now, make sure the sides are all done. And let me wipe off. Always check your edges and make sure you've got it all the way to the edge. Sometimes you'll see one that looks like it's to the edge or looks like it's not to the edge. And the thing is, it's because the paint ended before that. All right, number 2. All right, let me move this. All right, so that'll do. Now it's got moved over there. All right. And last one but not least, this beauty right here. Okay, this one also is going to be amazing with the gold. I also have quite a few of which I did metallics the whole time, and I'm really wondering if I need to varnish them or not, because the metallic look is so beautiful that I don't even want to do it. I'll show you them as soon as I get done with this here. Okay, in a matter of moments, I've got my 3 covered. And I'll go around here. And like I said, double check the edges. Perfect. Wipe down any drips. Now, there may be some drips coming. This doesn't look like it's covered. So I'll just make sure like that. I think it was, but when you have a different color that close to the edge, you want to make sure it is covered. Okay. It's really cool. This is going to look amazing. One drip over here where I just did. Okay. Beautiful. Oh, look. I just nabbed something more than I wanted to. Oh. Right. Okay. Let me grab one of my this here parchment paper, if you lay it in between, now this one here has the metallics. I don't know whether I need to varnish it. I mean, it's pretty as it is. That's not even my prettiest. This one too has a lot of metallics. This one I just did the other day, and look how gorgeous that is. See, it's got a matte finish to it. So I don't think I want to put a high gloss on it, but you'll have to let me know what you think. Just put it in the comments. This one here, I'm definitely not going to varnish because it is spectacular. It's just gorgeous. I mean, I'm in love with this one, and love it, love it, love it, love it. Okay. This one here too, I absolutely love. Kind of looks like iridescent, this part here. Can you believe this? It's gorgeous. I love it, and I love the look of the matte finish. So now I'm in a quandary. These I had just done, and the only reason why I even like this is that it reminds me of Christmas candy. But look at the shine. It's not even varnish it. This is just pure metallics. That's what all these are. You know me, I just love my metallics. And here's another one. Look at that. I don't know, guys. You'll have to let me know what you think. Should I varnish or not varnish? Now, I could show you some that I've already varnished, and you'll get the idea of what I'm talking about. These over here. That's mine. I don't know what I want to do, varnish or not varnish. All right. I'll show you some here that I varnished already. And these are all for sale. And see, this is nice and varnished. See how it turns out? It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And this one here with the hand of God coming down to help us. I love this too. It looks just like a hand. You know, I just absolutely, and this is a thinner piece. So, I didn't even know if I had any more thin pieces, but I do. And then this one here has, you can really see, now I had put on here white in here, but how it came down, out, beautiful. It's just crazy. It's like it's transparent, and it's hard to tell, but it definitely is there. And then this one here also, nice varnish. Now this also has a metallic, and yes, I varnished it. The same thing with the white. It's white within white. It's really cool, you know? And then this one here, this is purely gorgeous. I love this one too. This has metallic, has my transparent. So you can see, I don't know if you could tell, but it's little lines that just come through with the white. So anyway, let me know what you think. Should I varnish or not varnish? And now you know how to varnish yourself. And I'll show you how I have it laid out. Hold on a second. Let me take it down. Here I go, you see? I have 3 right here. And these containers never throw out anything. These are Cool Whip containers, which is great because I can use them over and over and over and over again. See, now this doesn't look like it's all the way to the edge, but it is. It is crazy. At least I hope it is. Hard to tell now. Let me think. Nope, it is. So it's just the way the paint is, the color. Anyway, these 3 here will now dry. And then I'll be able to do my contact paper. Oh, let me show you what these look like on the other side. Here's one that's varnished and ready to go. I use my label. I put a label on it, and I tell you what number to go on to YouTube to see the finished product. Because what they do, you can go, matter of fact, my one doctor, he's helped my brother out so much. And I brought him one, and I had a lot of gold in it because he's like gold to us. And I went ahead and gave it to him. And he was so excited to know he can go on YouTube and watch actually, you know, the painting, actually how it's done. So if you're interested in seeing that. Anyway, if anybody's interested in buying any, I take, well, I would have to have you go through PayPal. I'm not going to give that out here. You could just leave a message and I'll message you back. I use, if you're interested, just let me know and I'll get in touch with you. And we'll work it out that way. All right, guys. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.